Welcome to SyncEzy's SimPro Google Drive integration demo. We know that projects require seamless coordination between teams, and what this integration allows you to do is to have all of your data sitting in SimPro synced automatically to Google Drive in both directions. So you can go from SimPro to Google Drive or back from Google Drive to SimPro anytime you're adding data, and you're instantly able to access it in both places. So that includes job attachments, quote attachments, and site attachments, and the folders that you sit within those sections. SimPro metadata is brought across into Google Drive, which helps with searching for documents on the Google Drive side. So if you're a project manager, a service technician, or a SimPro admin, and your company uses Google Workspace or G Suite, and you receive an email with attachments or emails with data, you can save all of that into your Google Drive seamlessly in a single click, and you have the data automatically appear in SimPro without having to do another 11 clicks to move it across. So let's go over some key benefits and see how this can actually help you. So we have near instant real-time sync that allows you to save a file or update a file in one place and have that available in the second application near instantly. You can have all of your SimPro project data centralized in a shared drive, and the folder structure used will be copied across. While SimPro can still be used in the field, other team members can use Google Drive in the office, using the Google desktop apps and having those changes automatically update back into SimPro. Obviously, we maintain version control and make sure that nothing is ever deleted, but all of the older versions are archived and maintained in the system as per normal. Additionally, there's the efficiency gains. So instead of having to transfer manually those documents, you can save about 11 clicks each time a single document is synced, and that happens obviously automatically with this integration. So that's a huge productivity saving. The SimPro integration and our other SyncEzy integrations are used by hundreds of customers worldwide. That includes companies of all sizes that use our integrations to make their teams more productive. For all our integrations, we offer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support using live chat, phone, and email. We are IPA SOC 2 Type 2 certified, and we've been that for the last 3 years. We're also certified by the App Defense Alliance, as per the CASA protocol. So we've met stringent security requirements, and if your company has requirements around it that you need to be met for approval, we can make sure that we meet all of those requirements and go through and help you complete those documents if needed. So how does it actually look like? It looks a little bit like this. So in SimPro, you've got your normal job or quote or site data, and there's an attachment section. And within that, you can have your folders that contain obviously the different documents. And when we set up the sync, that then creates a folder automatically within your Google Drive location that you select. And those documents then are copied across, so you've got the same folder structure, and the documents sit within those folders. I'll run through a bit of a system demonstration in a moment just to show you how that looks. We do have a free plan available, so if you're not using it already, then you've got the ability to go in there and set up an integration and test it out. There is no credit card required up front, and you can sync up to 100 jobs, quotes, or sites using the manual sync, so that's setting up each project individually, and you've got a limit there of 500 megabytes of data. So it gives you an opportunity to really get a feel for how it works and to obviously see how that works. So maybe do that with 1 or 2 projects, but you can do more if you need to. It's a fairly simple 15-minute setup process, but we are available on support if you do need any assistance with that. So just to summarize before I dive into the demonstration, we use all of the best Google Drive features. So there's in-document text search, sync to multiple computers, folder level sharing permissions, image and document previews, and text search in image. So all of those are available to you using Google Drive. So that provides more tools to your staff in terms of searching and managing documentation. So we'll just dive into the system now. So when you register into the integrations.syncezy.com portal, which is free of charge, you'll be able to see all of the integrations that we have available. So simply go to SimPro, click on that, and then go to the relevant integration that you're looking for. You're then able to click on the View Pricing button, which will show you the different pricing options that are available, in addition to the free plan, which you can start off with to trial the solution. Once you've selected the option you want to go for, that will then appear in the My Integration section. And when you click on Details, that will take you through and show you. The actual connection process is relatively simple. You just need to click on the Connect buttons. Obviously, these are already connected, and then log into your SimPro account. The user that you are logging in with does need to have admin rights, so they can access all of the jobs, quotes, and sites that need to be integrated and synced. And again, you'll need to have the admin rights for Google Drive to have access to all of the documents and where we want to save and create those folders. Once that's connected, within the configuration section, you've got the ability to do two types. So on the free plan, you only get the option of manual sync, which is where you sync one job with one folder or one quote with one folder. So it's a step-by-step process, so it gives you a lot of control. A lot of our clients, though, use the auto sync, which means that when a new job or quote or site is created, it automatically creates a folder in a location within Google Drive. So you don't need to manually set that up each time. So setting up an auto sync, you just go through here. I've already connected jobs and quotes, so it's just sites that's left. And then I choose my Google Drive, choose the location, and then I select that location and save it. Once that configuration has been done, it'll go through and start to sync your existing jobs, quotes, and sites. And this may take some time depending on the number of items you have and the size. You're then able to, once the initial sync has completed, you're then able to go into the file manager. You can then select a tool, select a project, and search for that. And you can now see here that for this particular job, we can see the folder structure here that's been replicated within Google Drive. And if I pop into one of these subfolders, I can see the documents that have been synced across as well. So if I was to look into SimPro, in the attachments section, I would then see these documents. And then within Google Drive, I can then see the same for that same project. I can see the same folder structure. And I can drill into there and see these. As and when a document is added to one side, it will then be picked up by the sync, so that runs every minute, and then start to pull that information across. Depending on the number of documents that you are adding, that might take a little while, but it's near instantaneous. When you're using the system, you will have support available to you. So there is the Contact Us section here, where you're able to contact either sales or support, either via phone or sending us an email. But probably the most common way to do that is using this 24/5 support. So that's 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, so all of the business days. And put your question or query in there. That'll come to one of our support staff, and they'll then help you with your inquiry. And if need be, often they'll jump on a video call with you to talk you through that. So thank you for your time today, and look forward to having you on board. Thank you. Bye.